Friedrich's new floating air ductless split systems with FastPro technology are the easiest and fastest ductless split systems to install and maintain. Let's take a closer look at what makes FastPro a revolutionary system for HVAC professionals. Ease of service. To replace the PCB, first, remove the PCB box cover. Second, loosen all electric component terminals. Third, loosen the power input wire terminals. Finally, simply pull out the PCB. Replacing the blower motor. First, remove the PCB box cover and disconnect the wire terminal of the fan motor. Second, remove the trim panel, then remove the screws. Open the supply air outlet component and push the slide locks over to lock the component in the open position. Third, remove the 5 screws. Pull down the fan motor wire. Loosen the drain pipe. Fourth, pull out the fan and base pan assembly. Finally, remove the screws and lift out the fan motor. Clean these components or replace them with ease.